how to create an Alibaba account. So after you've finished installing the Alibaba app on your phone, tap on it and your screen should look something like this. Here you can simply tap on continue with Google, then choose any email that you would like to log in with. Then simply tap on continue. Then after a few moments, you'll be logged in on the Alibaba app, and it is that easy. Now you guys can freely shop online from the Alibaba app. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.